Good morning, children. Hi, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good, my dear. Welcome back to the world of learning. Okay, so in the previous class, I have completed textbook part, but one page is remaining. One bit in the page number 6, bit C is remaining. Okay, so before we complete that, I would like to give you question answers in the classwork. Okay, are you all ready to learn? Are you all ready to write now? Very good, my dear. So first of all, what you have to do to write in the classwork, you have to take your classworks. You have already written hard words in the classwork. Am I right? Yes. So take that notebook, take English classwork. After writing the hard words, turn the page. After the completion of those hard words, turn the page. In a new page, write the heading. I'll write on the board. Take pencil and eraser. So my dear, write without mistakes and write with a neat handwriting. Okay, so now write the heading. You have to write along with me, but very neatly. What is the heading on the top of the paper? Answer the following. Answer the following. Okay. You do not have any type of questions in the textbook. Any questions. But by learning the lesson, I want to give you some questions. Okay. I know you all are perfect in the lesson. You all learn very well the lesson. So by my own, I am giving you some questions. Okay, so write the first one. Answer the following. Write the first one. What were monkeys doing? You all listen the lesson carefully. Am I right? Now tell me what the monkeys were doing at that time when Mowgli and Bhalu are talking. They were screaming and shouting on the branches. Am I right? So that is the answer. Write very neatly. The monkeys were, what were they doing? The monkeys were screaming and shouting. The monkeys were screaming and shouting. So, after writing the answer, look at me and look at the board. What were monkeys doing? What were monkeys doing? The monkeys were screaming and shouting. THE, the MONKEYS, monkeys W-E-R-E, where S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming, A-N-D, and S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. The monkeys were screaming and shouting. Okay, my dear, you do not find any question. You do not find this question in the textbook. Okay, so don't search in the textbook. You have to note down in your classworks. So, you have to write very neatly with a neat handwriting. Okay, I'll give once again the oral reading, drilling. What were monkeys doing? What were they doing? The monkeys were screaming and shouting. The T-H-E, the, read after me. T-H-E, the, M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. The monkeys. W-E-R-E, where, W-E-R-E, where, S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. A-N-D, and S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. So my dear, the monkeys were screaming and shouting. So this is the first question and answer. Now take your small copies, all of you. Take your small copies. I'll write here, but you note down in small copy. Don't write it in your classwork. I'll write your homework here in the small copy. Write today's date. Write today's date, 23/9. Okay. After that, the same. S-C-R E-A-M-I-N-G, screaming. And the second word, S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G. Note down these two words in your small copy with pencil and write the full page, take a picture and send it to your concerned class teacher. And then your today's homework is you have to read and practice this question and answer. Read and practice. Given question and answer for 2 times. You have to read and practice the given question and answer. This one. First question and answer for 2 times in a rough notebook, and then take a picture, send it to your concerned class teacher. What are the pictures you have to send to your concerned class teacher? One is reading and practicing of this first answer in your rough notebook, and then second one is small copy. Okay, you have to send 2 pictures. One is what you have practiced in rough notebook, and then small copy. Is it clear, my dear? Okay, then first, this is your first question and answer, my dear. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.